Привет! Меня зовут Olga. Hi, my name is Olga. I'm a teacher of Russian and English. Since 2005, I've been teaching languages professionally. My students are passionate about learning and value their time. Because время – деньги. Time is money. The ultimate goal of learning a new language is to speak it freely and feel confident in a conversation, so that you'd know what to say even if you get lost. The main difficulties here are the what and the how. What words do you need to learn? In what order? And how can you remember and use them in your speech? I will give you a system. First, you need a strong base of frequently used words and phrases and most important rules, so that you're able to take part in everyday conversations. Then, we'll be gradually expanding your vocabulary, lesson by lesson. How? I'll be giving you new material in the amounts that you will be able to grasp, with simple and clear explanations. The vocabulary of every new lesson will be based on the vocabulary of the previous one, and you will have a lot of language practice. Thus, I will help you pave the way, so that you won't even notice your efforts. Also, we'll use a lot of authentic materials to help you learn live language. Together, we'll build momentum from easy and basic phrases to more complex constructions. So, what will you be able to do in the end? Вы будете понимать русских с полуслова. And yes, you will speak from the very first session. Помимо преподавания русского языка, я также помогаю изучать английский с нуля, расширять словарный запас и вообще не бояться говорить. If you feel like this is something that you need and you're interested in more details, you're welcome to schedule a trial lesson. I'm curious to hear about you and your language goals, and I will tell you more about the learning process. Thank you for watching my introduction video. I'll be very pleased to get to know you. Увидимся. Пока!